Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, I'm Azharul from Faculty Sport Science and Recreations, Universiti Teknologi Mara. And the other author is Muhammad Faizal Azharul Azwan, Muhammad Zainuddin Muhammad Azuddin from Faculty Business of Management, Universiti Teknologi Mara. And the other two author, which is Miss Fazila Abdul Malik and Muhammad Ashraf Abdul Rahim from Faculty Sport Science and Coaching, Universiti Pendidikan Sultan Idris. So today we will glad to present our topic, which is effect of breathing exercise on the accuracy of the penalty kick. So for the introductions, a penalty kick is commonly known as a penalty or a pen, also called a spot kick, is a method of restarting play in occasion football, in which a player is allowed to take a single shot on the goal while it is defended by only opposing team goalkeeper. So it is awarded when a foul punishable by a direct kick is committed by a player in their own penalty area. So accuracy is defined as the ability to kick a ball at a given spot. Based on the recent study by Makarov et al. 2019 said 20% to 40% of a penalty kick did not meet the target. Another researcher, which is Navia et al. 2019, have pointed out if a player is capable of handling difficult circumstances or negative feeling, efficiency and accuracy will improve. So that is why a relaxation should be used to build a footballer's attitude to improve his or her internal balance. So the using of physiological skill training, which is a PST, among footballer player can help their learns to concentrate and resolve problems simultaneously, according to Kelman and Beckman, 2017. So the objective of this study is to examine the effect of psychological skill training, which is PST, which is a breathing exercise, the using of breathing exercise on the accuracy of the penalty kick in soccer. Alright, now let's take a look what are the methodology that been used in this study. So the first one is a participant. In this study will involve a total 36 football male player under 12 years old in the Gombak district, Selangor, which is 10 years old, 11 years old, and 12 years old were involved as a participant for this study. And for the procedure, the participants were divided into two groups, which is a treatment group and a control group. And the durations of the intervention is held for 4 weeks. And participants in the treatment group receive a breathing exercise before a penalty training, while a control group performed only a normal training. And 3 trials of penalty shot were performed during pre and post test. So this is our research framework for this study. So as for this study, we evaluate the accuracy of the penalty kick by adopting the method of penalty precision test from Pamudi 2012. So there were 11 zones of penalty kick scoring point, and each one of it has a point shown in the figure 1. So in the figure 1, you can see that division diagrams of soccer goal penalty kick score is divided into 11 zones, and minimum score is 0 point, while the maximum score is 5 point. So the more points the participant get, which means that the more accurate penalty kick will perform. So as for the result, an independent sample t-test was conducted to compare the precision penalty kick test score between the experimental groups and also the control group. So the results shown that there was a significant difference in the penalty score between these both groups, which is T30 equal to 2.06 and P equal to 0.048. And the experimental group shown that the mean score is 3.56 and the standard deviation is 1.21, which is higher score of the penalty kick accuracy compared to the control group, which is only mean equal to 2.69 and the standard deviations 1.20. Hence, the null hypothesis is rejected. There was a statistically significant difference between means for both groups. So, as for the discussions and the conclusions, the study was proof that breathing exercise can improve the accuracy of the penalty kick score. And the finding of this study is parallel with the previous study, which found that the breathing exercise is one of the way in improving the imagery ability, mental preparations, and concentration ability, and also the mental skill of subject, according to Badoria Buka and Jadon 2013. Other than that, breathing exercise can minimizing somatic arousal and physical symptoms anxiety, according to Pelka et al. 2017. So that the coaches and the trainers should include and apply the psychological aspect in their training program as a preparation, such as a breathing exercise for their athletes, not only on the physical aspect. So, last but not least, we hope that this finding can contribute to the body of knowledge, and the outcomes can be the good indicator for the trainers and coaches out there in order to prepare a well training program, not only focusing on the physical aspect but also include the psychological aspect. Thank you.